Hey, what's up guys, Jarvis here, back with another video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can root your Redmi K20 Pro without installing any TWRP recovery. Guys, the prerequisite for this video is unlocked bootloader. Make sure your K20 Pro has unlocked bootloader. If you don't know how to unlock the bootloader of Redmi K20 Pro, then check the card here. Now as you can see, my current Miui version is 12.5 and Android version is Android 11. Now let me show you my device is rooted or not. Download and install root checker basic application from the description box and install it. So here is my root checker basic app. Check on verify root, and guys, as you can see, my device is not rooted yet. Now let me show you any custom recovery is installed on my device or not. So I'm gonna power up my device and boot my device into recovery mode by pressing volume up and power key simultaneously. So guys, this is the Xiaomi official recovery. Any custom recovery is not installed on my device. So I'm gonna reboot my device. My device is now boots up. And guys, here is my stock boot image. This boot image is only for the below build number. If you are using K20 Pro with different build number, then you have to download full firmware as per the build number. You can check the build number here. As you can see, this is my build number. And guys, you can download all the boot images for K20 Pro from our website, which is techjarvis.net. If your boot image is not available on our website server, then you have to download the whole firmware from MI official site. And guys, let me show you how you can extract the boot image from the firmware. So guys, here is my firmware. You need to extract it to get the boot image. Guys, I already extracted. Let me show you how you can extract it. Guys, you can extract it from here. So I already extracted, so I'm gonna open it, and you can get boot image in images. So search for boot.img. Here it is. Now you need to copy this file and paste anywhere. My boot image is now copied on the desktop. Now you need to move this file to your phone's memory. So let's move to the phone screen. First you need to download Magisk Manager. Download Magisk Manager from the description box and install it. Now open Magisk Manager. As you can see, Magisk Manager is not installed yet. Now tap on install and tap on next and select and patch a file. Tap here, and now you need to select the stock boot image as per your build number. So here is my stock boot image, and click on let's go and wait for few seconds. It will patch boot image. Stock boot image is now saved to download folder. So open download folder. So as you can see, here is my Magisk patched boot image. Now you need to flash this file with the help of ADB fast boot. First you need to enable USB debugging option. So tap on MIUI version to enable the developer option. In developer option, you need to enable developer options and enable USB debugging option. And as you can see, my MI unlocked status is unlocked. USB debugging option is now enabled. Now you need to copy Magisk patched boot image to PC. So connect your device with the PC. Now guys, in PC, go to your phone internal memory and move to download folder and copy this Magisk patched boot image and paste anywhere you want. Now you need to download some files. So here is my K20 Pro folder. In this you need to download these two files. You can download these two files from the description box. After download this, you need to extract this. Both the files are now extracted. Now you need to run this file adb setup as administrator. Type Y, hit enter, and it will install adb and fastboot system wide. And type Y to install your phone's driver. Now open this minimal adb and fastboot and run this minimal adb fastboot as administrator. And keep pressing next. It will open a command prompt. Now minimize this. And guys, you need to rename this magisk patched file to boot only. And boot your device into the fast boot mode by pressing volume down and power key simultaneously and connect your device with the PC. Now in command prompt, first type fastboot devices to check your device is connected with the PC or not. So I'm gonna type fastboot devices. So yes, as you can see, my device is connected. Now type fastboot flash space boot space and enter the location of your boot file. And hit enter. It will flash the magisk patched boot file. Now type fastboot reboot. This command will reboot your device. And guys, as you can see, my device is rebooted. And guys, first boot might take quite a while, but don't worry, it's normal. So I'm gonna fast forward the video to make the video short. So guys, my device is now successfully boots up. First of all, let me show you the magisk manager is installed or not. So open magisk manager. So guys, congratulations, magisk manager is now successfully installed, as you can see. Now open root checker basic app to check my device is rooted or not. So guys, congratulations, root access is properly installed on the device. So guys, by this way you can root your device without installing any TWRP recovery. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you guys have any query, then do let me know in the comment section. Your input will be considered. Guys, do not flash wrong boot image, otherwise your phone can be bricked. So thank you for watching Tech Jarvis.